Let's talk about your assignments for Unit 1. The first thing that you're going to have to do this week is you're going to have to go to wetpaint.com and create a wiki site. This wiki will be used to present your work for this project, your culminating project, not only to me, but to your peers and also to those in the larger web population, other teachers and so forth around the world. So you'll have to check in the Unit 1 section to view the video tutorials on how to create a wet paint wiki. It's very simple. And what we'll do is use this as a place where you can post all your work. It will also be a place where you'll invite the rest of the people in our class to be able to join your wiki, and they'll be able to look at what you're doing and give you some peer review and feedback. So what I want you to do is look for the details in the written assignment down below, but the purpose of creating the wiki is to actually be able to present your work to me and your peers in a larger population. Secondly, and really the major part of the first week of Unit 1 is to write a 2-page project proposal. This proposal basically is going to talk to me or tell me what you're thinking about doing. And what I would like you to do here is to pick something that you can directly take back to your school setting and apply with your students. So therefore it might be a unit that you think is particularly dull, and you might want to use technology to spruce it up by creating a web quest. You might want to design a problem-based learning activity that includes various pieces of technology that you've learned throughout this program. But what you need to do is spell out, number one, the rationale for what you want to do. You want to explain how you're going to do it. And very importantly, I want you to describe to me what impact you think this will have on student learning. The third and final part of Unit 1, after your project proposal has been accepted, you will need to create a project timeline. Now this project timeline will also be posted on your wiki site. The project timeline, what it's going to do is lay out week by week what you're going to complete. It's going to set your benchmarks so you're not going to get behind in this project. It will be broken down into 3 phases, and each phase will have 3 weeks. At the end of each phase, you will have a phone conference with me where we'll look at what you're doing, and also I will give you my suggestions and feedback as far as what you might need to change. So those are the basic principles of Unit 1. If you have any questions about the requirements for Unit 1, you can either email me or please feel free to give me a call.